Welcome judges, this is a prototype demonstration for our problem statement. This will be the homepage of our web app. This is the dashboard where users will log in using their valid credentials. Users will be able to upload photos, videos, audio recordings and text messages. The user's trust score will be routinely checked. The reporting section has a quick hazard type selector and severity level option for faster reporting in case of an emergency. Users can enter a brief description then proceed. The location info can either be manually given or the latitude and longitude coordinates of the user will be automatically taken based on the user's IP address. An evidence report can also be submitted. Users can review their report and finally submit it. Further processing will be done on the reports using AI/ML models, natural language processing, real-time data analytics, etc. This will ensure trustworthiness. The reports and hazardous locations along with their severity level will be displayed on the three-dimensional map. Active hazards will be highlighted. The terrain function will help display a more detailed version of the map so that the users can quickly identify the hazardous locations. Users will be able to interact with other users and also be able to see recently submitted and verified reports. This maintains a strong and active community to face challenges together. The community stats and top trusted contributors will be highlighted and will be given special Ocean Guardian badges. The analytics section will highlight monthly hazard reports, severity distributions and report trends. Trending keywords will be displayed. This section measures the AI system's performance in analyzing reports and accurately distinguishing between fake and real reports. The more the score, the better. The analytics dashboard displays the verification status of reports and the accuracy rate of verified reports through the AI system. Lastly, the live activity field shows the real-time hazards currently affecting any region. Some other functionalities also include dark mode, multiple language support, offline reporting, WhatsApp chatbot integration and many more. Finally, the SOS or emergency contact functionality is also added. With this, we'll conclude the demo. Thank you.